Hi, today we're going to talk about the candidate database. The candidate database is a place for you to dig through and browse your candidate pool. Your candidates show in a list like this that's sortable and exportable to CSV file, which you can import into spreadsheet software. When you select candidate, the candidate panel will come up showing you everything there is to know about this candidate that you've collected. You can take notes with your team here and add attributes such as interview ratings or tech stack. And I encourage you to check out our videos on notes and attributes to get into a little more detail about what you can do with those features. You can browse their resume and scroll through the various pages in that resume. You can replace that resume if you need to, or share a link straight to that resume to someone outside of Dropboard. At the top, you'll see options for how to move this candidate through your hiring workflow. Currently, they're in the new stage, and we can go to any of these other custom stages that we've set up, or we can use our shortcuts for thumbs down, thumbs up. When you manage your workflows, you can decide exactly what a thumbs up, thumbs down means for any given stage. If you find a great candidate who's maybe not fit for the job they've applied for, you can easily add them to any of your other jobs. Regardless of how many jobs a candidate submits themselves to, the notes that are shared between your team are all together. You can also always view the jobs that they've applied to here and move them quickly to other stages. Using the ... menu, you can do a couple things such as editing their main details or the job that they're currently applied to. Let's go back to the candidate database. This text box here is an instant search of your candidates, and it shows the various workflow stages that they're in. So it's very easy to quickly find and grab somebody that you're interested in. And of course, there's filter options. So if you want to look at all the candidates that have submitted themselves to a specific job or a specific location, or come from a specific workflow status, you can search their notes and you can search their attributes. You can also import new candidates very easily. Hit the plus sign and then you can choose the job that you want to send someone to and then upload their resume. Our AI will scan that resume and try to pull out their first name, last name, email address, but you can always override this. We can import that candidate and immediately view them. And if you're not interested in a candidate, our recommendation is to move them to not interested or some other workflow stage, but you can also actually delete the candidate if you'd like. Just know that this is a permanent action. The last thing I'll say is the icons on the left show which candidates have resumes on file, which candidates you've taken notes for. If you click on the mail icon, it's a shortcut to a direct email to that candidate. And you can scroll to the right and see a preview of the cover letter that they submitted with their application. That wraps it up for today. There's always more coming for Dropboard. Hope to see you next time.